How to make money online with a pen, step by step for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial and review, and in this video we're going to be discussing about a pen. So you're probably wondering what a pen is, what it really does, what features it brings us, and why am I recommending it to you. So basically, if you're sitting in your home, in your bed, using your laptop or your desktop or your mobile phone, and you don't really want to go out in the open and do a 9 to 5 job, then a pen is for you because you can sit at your home, you can do the job that you want, and you can get paid for it. And another fun thing is there is no time limit. Take as much time as you need. And the job limits on a pen are crazy. Like you can go from basic digital marketing to accounting to whatever you want. And a pen gives you all these great features, and you can do jobs that you enjoy doing. It's not like doing a 9 to 5 where you just have to bust yourself from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock doing something you don't even enjoy, but you just do it for the sake of money. A pen is a platform which allows you to do a job which you enjoy and make a lot of money off of it. People have made from $100 to $600 per job or task from a pen. So we're just going to be getting into that really quick, and I want you to sit back, relax, and just watch the video carefully, listen to all my instructions, and you're going to probably know by the end of this video how a pen really works, and you're going to be glad I told you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, we're going to go ahead and write a pen. So over here we can see a pen is a machine intelligence company. It was publicly traded company listed on the Australian Securities Exchange under the code APX. And as you can see, the revenue that a pen has made is over 600 million Australian dollars. And the number of employees as of the year 2020, 1,125. And even in the Google reviews, we can see, is a pen a good paying job? The highest paying job at a pen is a search engine evaluator with a salary of 2.6 lakh. This is in my fiat currency. If we convert it to your typical USDs, then this translates to around, you could say, $1,400. And the top 10% of employees earn more than around 8 lakhs, which is in US dollars around $4,000 per year. Now, $4,000 per year by just sitting in your room doing just a single job and a job that you enjoy doing with no time limit is amazing. So now that you've got the basics of how a pen works and what a pen is, we're going to get into their website, which is appen.com. So once you're in appen.com, from here on out, you can see they have an amazing overview and overlay. So what you're going to want to do is, obviously this is their main interface blog. What we're going to want to do is click on join our crowd. Now, once you click on join our crowd, what's going to happen is it's going to bring you here. Join our crowd, work that can be done from anywhere in the world. So obviously we're going to accept all cookies. Now, you can come down here and you can see the features they have to offer, like part-time flexible jobs, projects, microtasks, survey and data collection. It has its own mobile app if you want to download it. They have codes of ethics, their rules, regulations. You can get into all of that if you want to. But we're just going to go here and click on learn more. Now, once we come here, have an account, log in, we're going to click on that. And once we click on that, over here, we're going to click on register. And once we click on register here, it's going to start our sign up process. And from here on out, I'm going to start signing up. So you're just going to fill in your details, make a password, a strong password that you're going to remember because, it's very easy to get scammed at websites like this. Then you're just going to create your account. Then it's going to send you a verification email. I'm just going to verify it, be right back. Now, once you verify your email, it's going to redirect you to the login system. Then you go to your login page. Over there, you're going to put in your email address that you just put into your sign up page. Now, over here, that's my email address. I'm going to put in my password. Remember me, and then we're going to continue. Now, once we continue, it's going to take us to the basic, where it's going to ask us our primary language. Over here, obviously, you're going to put in English or any primary language that you want to play around with. Your language region, then obviously we're going to add the United States. Then you're just going to click on continue. And once you've selected your language, down here, it's going to start giving you your projects. Now, over here, it's going to welcome you, and you can click on Start Tour if you want to get into the basics of Appen, but I'm going to skip it for now because obviously I know. If you want to, go ahead, do it. Now that we're here, this is where all the fun starts, because this is the place where you're going to start selecting projects and you're going to start doing your work. Now, obviously, once you're here, these are all the projects that are up for grabs, and you can start playing around with them. Now, let's say this project. Obviously, this is now closed, so we're just going to go down here on any one of these. Look at this. Shop Shoshun Social Media Labeling. Mystery Shopper help a large social media platform evaluate the e-commerce shopping experience by purchasing items and completing surveys. So basically, this is how you assign the job for yourself. You see these projects, you read their details, you see what category they come in. This comes in social media. Then you can see how many tasks there are. So it's basically $1 per task. This is $5 per task. This is $25 per hour. It can be by hour or by task. That depends on the project creator. And you can also add filters over here to what type of jobs you want. You can either have a social media job, web research job, translation, linguistics, data collection. Do any of those, apply the filter. And once you like a project or a task, you're just going to click on apply. Now, once you click on apply, what's going to happen is it's going to check the availability, and it's going to check if the project is open or closed. Now, if it's closed, obviously it won't load up for you, but if it's not closed and you click on apply, what's going to happen is it's going to load you up, it's going to bring you here, and it's going to give you all the details for its project, and it's going to give you the main overview, the general requirements, tools required. And once you see what you like, you're going to click on I have read this page and wish to proceed with the qualification process. Now, once you do that, over here, you're going to come and see, please complete the following required information for project consent or whatever project you're working on. And obviously, you're going to have to fill in all of this because these are important details. And obviously, the client that you're working for, he or she is going to take this information in case they don't get scammed or anything. So yeah, this is how you basically apply for a job. Now, once you apply for a project or a task or a job and you've done your project or job, then what you're going to want to do is, obviously, you're wondering, how do you get your money and how do you withdraw your money? Now, for that, you just need to go on your profile, and you're obviously going to have to complete your profile. Now, once you complete your profile, what's going to happen is you're going to put in your phone number, and with your phone number, they're going to ask your credit card or bank account details. And from there on, what's going to happen is the money that you'll receive from the clients for doing the tasks or the projects will go over there. And from there on out, you can withdraw it to your credit card or your bank account. And that is how simple and easy it is to make money sitting at your home using Appen. So that's the basic gist of it. If you have any more questions related to Appen, you can let me know down in the comments and I'll answer you straight away. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you all keep having a great day. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.